This is DJ Wags, Wags Chicago, looking at space weather and Earth's magnetic field over here at IS. WA, run by NOAA and the dark arts, whatever. You won't believe this. This is day 2 now of the Earth's magnetic lines. See these lines? They should all be unique, or like a loop. And then you see it get chaotic, and then you're going to see the lines blow apart. This is day 2 of this now. Yesterday this started at 0030 roughly hours on the 13th. Look, see how that's chaos? Your body has electromagnetic fields in it. Everything on Earth does. The Earth has its own electromagnetic field, and these lines should be all nice and smooth and everything, copacetic or whatever you call it, right? My other point here is the sun is about where my face is over here, right? And it's blowing the gases at the Earth. See this bow in the front? Looks like you're shooting a bow and arrow. See how thick and red that is? That means there's a lot of energy. Well, there's nothing happening on the sun in the last 4 or 5 days. So where is this energy coming from? That makes me then question why, if the sun is straight out this way to your right on the screen, the spider, this looks like a spider normally, there's like a body, a bigger body part at the back and then a smaller one in the front. The spider, instead of facing the sun, is now facing about 4 o'clock position, or no, let's say 2 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock on my screen here. See how the Earth is right here in the middle of this little dot? The white part's the side facing the sun. This blue ball right here to the bottom right of the Earth there, that's supposed to be in the far, like, level with the sun. So the Earth is energy is facing like 4 o'clock on your screen. So if you picture straight up where the apocalypse radio sign is, that's 12. Bottom is 6. See what I'm saying? 3 o'clock would be straight right. The sun would be at 3 o'clock on your screen looking to your right. This is at like 4 o'clock position, the way it's pivoted. So that means there may or may not be something tugging on said Earth. Now let me just show you one last thing here. Is going to be the satellite of Earth. Stand by. Wait, before I do that, I want to show you this graph too. This is, the sun is to your right. There should only be one bow here. See how there's like 3 of them on the right? Look, it looks like an eyeball, like the pupil if you see a side view. The Earth's in the center, the black circle around the Earth, the right half is lit. That's the sun side. There's so much energy coming in that you're seeing like 3 bows there at sometimes. That means it's deflecting a lot of energy. However, like I just said, the sun is not doing anything. So where is this coming from? Stand by. I report on this in January. This is the national, all the dark arts computer that shows you my satellite views. I've been doing weather for 30-something years now. Like, all of a sudden, I can't get the southern half of the world no more. See how black it is down here? I keep lighting it up. That's being blocked intentionally or accidentally, but they announced it in January, I believe, January, February, that this is going to happen. They've turned off our view. See, there's 3 stations down there. I can't see nothing south of the equator. And if you look at my channel back April of 2021, 22, I think, we were getting weird light from the sun going the wrong way in garbage. So I wonder if that's why they turned it off. That's what I thought at the time. However, if you picture this Earth right now, as I just said, north is 12, bottom is 6, to the right of your screen is 3, right? 4 o'clock would be this way. This is the same view I was just showing you externally of the Earth's magnetic field. So the sun is way off to your right. What would be at 4 o'clock here? Well, I can't tell you because it's blacked out. Let me turn my face off. Hang on, just so you can see. I'm talking about down here. So 3 o'clock's over here. The sun will be over there. See how that works? Way to your right. Picture 4 o'clock at the bottom right. Let me get this on the screen. Here we go. 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and of course 9 o'clock would be to your left. We don't care about that right now. 3 o'clock's here. 4 o'clock would be here. On the map I just showed you, 4 o'clock was where the Earth was aiming. So is that possibly or not why we're being blocked from seeing anything from the satellite? What a crazy theory, right? This is DJ Wags taking you through the apocalypse. Godspeed. If you're feeling this Hang on, let me get back to that screen. This is energy, frequency, radiation. God knows what else is coming from the direction from wherever this gassing is happening. But remember next year in April, I think it's April, or is it August? The second X of the special. Let me just show you something of the special eclipse. Stand by. I'll end it with this. This X is gonna be right over Little Egypt, Illinois. See how that work? This is coming in April 8th, 2024. If you remember, October 14th, 2023. The eclipse, by the way, is coming from two different directions. I don't understand how your eclipses and all your flat earth, round earth garbage works. So I don't know how this even happened. Because I remember at the time we reported it was going like backward. But do your own theory on that. I don't even care anymore. The X marks the spot is coming to Illinois, the Midwest. Is it April 8th? Let me see here. This is the one that hits the center, right? Stand by. Alright, here's the article. The overlap of the paths of the eclipse of 2017 and 2024. They cross in the heartland. In 2017, many people were enthralled by the fact that they had, after so many years without a total eclipse, the mainland U.S. would be getting two in the space of less than 7 years. It just makes sense that if two eclipse paths are going to both cross the U.S., there must be a very lucky spot that will get to see both of them. Wow, people living there will not have to travel. Okay, well, that's Illinois. See how that works? Like right here, Little Egypt, whatever you call it. And then it tells you when it ends, etc. That's truly amazing. I bet it is. This is like, because see, the reason I'm saying all this garbage is the X. Like, everything's turning X lately. And like good old Twitter right here. Let me go over my Twitter feed. See how X is right here? There's a lot of X. SpaceX, Twitter X. X is the end. See how that works? According to them. So I don't know. This is just crazy days, I guess. We're living in a movie. But anyways, if you're feeling the energy, it's because you are. The magnetic shields are being torn apart for 2 days in a row, and it's not the sun. What's this? I'll show you right now. There's nothing happening on the sun. See these lines? There's nothing. 2 days ago, yesterday, today, nothing. All just normal. Flat line. What's causing it? Here, hello, going. Solar activity past 2 days was at much quieter levels. See, it's nothing. Where's the energy coming from? Oh, is this right now? Hang on. When was this? When was this? Hang on. Stand by. Let me pause this a second. Yeah, that was 8-7 down here. It scared me for a second. I thought I just missed the storm that just happened. And let me just show you, we'll end here, the eclipse that I'm talking about, the big Xeroni over Little Egypt. Because there's weird theories that Egypt was really the United States or some garbage. And Illinois has got a bunch of towns named after it. Go look it up. Cairo, Illinois. Go look it up. Anyways, 238 days, 0 hours at 15. I almost got it on the minute. Like in 15, it's 1:43 on August 14th. If this would have been about 2 o'clock, we would have been at 237 days, 0 hours. How cool. I'm almost right on the head. Look at this garbage. Anyways, don't forget the eclipse. I don't know what it means, but that movie Don't Look Up rings a bell. And then we got something pulling on the earth. X marks the spot. Or not. Godspeed.